Elon Musk just made his boldest robot claim yet. It won't even seem like a robot. It'll seem like a person in a robot suit. That's what he said about Tesla's Optimus V3 coming in Q1 2026. And here's the kicker. He thinks this robot will generate $10 trillion in revenue. That's trillion with a T. A humanoid robot that costs less than a car. That looks so real, you'll need to poke it to believe it's not human. And it could be the biggest product of all time. Bold? Yes. Crazy? Maybe. Impossible? We're about to find out. This is the story of Tesla's Optimus V3 and why Elon Musk is betting everything on it. So what exactly is Optimus V3? Tesla's been working on humanoid robots since 2021. We've seen Gen 1, we've seen Gen 2, but V3? That's the game changer. During Tesla's Q3 earnings call in October, Musk dropped the bomb. V3 is sublime. It's something special. Here's what makes it different. 22 degrees of thetum in each hand, 3 more in the wrist and forearm. Hands so precise they can thread a needle. Powered by Grok 5, Tesla's most advanced AI ever. This isn't just movement. It's intelligence. The robot stands 5'8", weighs 125 pounds, moves like a human, thinks like, well, we're about to find out. And the price? $20,000 to $30,000, less than most new cars. That's the disruption. Now here's where it gets interesting. Current Optimus robots are already working, right now, in Tesla factories, walking around the Palo Alto office 24/7. They've served popcorn at Tesla's Hollywood diner, folded clothes, sorted parts, basic stuff, but it's happening. But experts are skeptical. Boston Dynamics has been doing this for decades. Figure AI, Unitree, they're all in the race, and Tesla has a history of, let's say, optimistic timelines. Remember when Optimus was supposed to be ready in 2023? Critics call it hype. They say the demos use teleoperation, that the hands can't really do complex tasks yet, that balance is still a problem. But here's the thing, Musk has a track record. Electric cars? Everyone laughed. Reusable rockets? Impossible, they said. So is Optimus V3 real, or is it just another Elon promise? Here's what's actually happening. Tesla plans to build 5,000 Optimus robots this year. That's 1 legion in military terms. 50,000 next year, 10 legions. And they're aiming for 100 million units annually within a few years. Musk believes this will be bigger than Tesla's car business. $10 trillion bigger. Think about it. A robot that costs less than a car but can work 24/7. No bathroom breaks, no vacation days, no retirement. It could fold your laundry, clean your house, work in factories, assist the elderly. The question isn't if humanoid robots are coming. They're already here. The question is, will Tesla dominate this market like they did with electric cars? Optimus V3 launches Q1 2026. We'll know the answer soon. This is myrobot.shop. Subscribe because the robot revolution isn't coming. It's already started.